the honorable jury, the organizer, participant, and audiences in this meeting room. I'm Ulfianingsi with my partner Muhammad Taufik M from Alauddin State Islamic University of Makassar, Sulawesi Island in Indonesia. I would like to say thank you very much for this section. It is a great opportunity for us to present our research in this conference, and the title of our research is QSAR Analysis and Design of a New Amino Alkanol Xanthone Derivative Compound as Anti-Cancer. For introduction, cancer as one of the diseases that can cause relatively high mortality in the world. Cancer is the generation that is widely feared by the public because the number of patients continues to increase. It's caused by cancer cells. Cancer cells have tissue cells are abnormal and tissue growth is quickly. One of the compounds that serve as a deterrent to cancer is xanthone compounds, and xanthone compound can be found in mangosteen fruit peel. This is evidenced by the results of the study that mangosteen fruit peel contains flavonoid, tannins, and xanthone that have pharmacological effect. Xanthone derivative compound can be designed through computational chemical modeling. It can cause computational chemistry as one of the chemical that can design of medicinal compound with quantitative relation between structure and activity using Austin Model 1 method. Next, the purposes of our research are the first to find out descriptor that can influence the anti-cancer activity of xanthone amino alkanol derivative compounds, and the second to know the best quantitative relation between structure and activity or HKSA equation model in xanthone amino alkanol derivative compound against anti-cancer activity using multilinear regression analysis. And the last to know the predictive anti-cancer activity results of new compounds, modified amino alkanol xanthone derivative compounds. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the basic structure of xanthone compound. Next, there are 15 compound name and value of xanthone amino alkanol derivative compound activity from Skaradex et al. Research in 2016. And based on the table, we can see that each structure that has a different activity value or IC50 value. Next, this is the previous research before our research about xanthone derivative compound. But in this research, just Arba et al. Research at 2016 that have predictive compound. Research method. In this research has been done in December 2020 until January 2021 at Organic Chemistry Laboratory, Faculty of Science and Technology, Alauddin State Islamic University of Makassar. And next, for hardware for device on substance in our research. The first, we have two types of hard device. That is, there are hardware and software, and we can see the hardware and the software for our research. And for substance, we use amino alkanol xanthone derivative compound from Skaradex Research at 2016. Next, this is the procedure of our research. Actually, we have three main procedure. The first, geometry optimization, statistical analysis of HKSA, and the last, calculating value of predictive anti-cancer activity. And for the research line, we can see in this slide, we have to start, and we get secondary data from Skaradex Research at 2016, and we make two sets, the first training sets and the second test sets. For training sets, we have to selection and calculation of descriptor, and after that, building up of HKSA equation. And for test sets, we have to selection and calculation of descriptor, and after that, validation of HKSA equation. And after that, we got HKSA equation, and after that, we have to prediction of anti-cancer activity of amino alkanol xanthone derivative compound, and the research is finished. For geometry optimization, we can see in this slide, this is the procedure of geometry optimization. And this is the procedure of statistical analysis of HKSA. And this is the procedure of calculating value of predictive anti-cancer activity. This presentation will be continued with my partner.
Okay, next result and discussion. The decision of new compound is done by determining the parent compound and selecting the position of the side chain in which the carbon atomic position is selected in the study.
So we can't hear you. Can you turn on the microphone, please? We can't hear you. Can you turn the microphone on, please? Thank you.
Okay. The design of new compounds is done by determining the parent compound and selecting the position of the side chain in which the carbon-3 atomic position is selected in the study. The selected substituent should be electronegative in order to increase the electronegativity value of the new derivative compound. Furthermore, the design of the new compounds was carried out using the Best-Quasar equation formula. Then the geometry optimization and descriptor calculation were carried out again until the predicted log IC50 value was obtained. Next. The data structure. The data structure is divided into two data sets, namely training sets and test sets. Descriptor must represent hydrophobic, electronic, and steric parameters connecting of 14 descriptors, namely HOMO energy, LUMO energy, atomic networks, hydration energy, polarizability, total energy, dipole moment, surface area, molecular mass, molar reflectivity, volume, height of formation. The following shows the value of each descriptor. In the Quasar equation model, next. There are 5 models with different values. In each model, there are variables that are excluded, which means that these variables are eliminated until the best equation is obtained by considering the assessment criteria in the form R square, F count, F table, F count per F table. The best equation model is in model 3 with a value log IC50 4.308, total energy negative 0.0004, surface area negative 0.014, dipole moment positive 0.174, height of formation positive 0.0002, carbon 1 positive 14.2114, carbon 2 positive 1.137, carbon 3 negative 13.557, and carbon 10 23.059. Which prove that the descriptor combination is an influent physicochemical property from the research that has been done. It has obtained the atomic networks, total energy, and dipole moment, which represent the electronic parameters, surface area, and height of formation, which represent steric parameters. In model 3, shows the active center of the xanthan amino alkanol derivative compound is located the networks of atom carbon 3, carbon 10, carbon 2, and carbon 1. The design of new compounds is done by determining the parent compound and selecting the position of the side chain in which the carbon 3 atomic position is selected in the study. The selected substituent should be electronegative in order to increase the electronegativity value of the new derivative compound. Furthermore, the design of the new compound was carried out using the Best-Quasar equation formula. Then the geometry optimization and descriptor calculation were carried out again until the predicted log IC50 value was obtained. Conclusion. Descriptor that can affect the anti-cancer activity of Santon amino alkyl derivative compounds such as clean charge of atom total energy, tissue surface area, head formation, and dipole moment. The equation model of structure activity quantitative relationship selected in Santon amino alkyl derivative compound against anti-cancer is model 3. Obtain the results of prediction of anti-cancer activity from new compounds modified amino alkyl Santon derivative compound that more potentially inhibit the activity of cancer cell. Our modified compound is 3,2-hydroxy 3-propan-2-ilamino propoxy 9-xanthine 9-on and 3-chloro 6,2-hydroxy 3,2-hydroxyethyl methyl amino propoxy 9-xanthine 9-on with a log IC50 value of 1.84 and 1.59. Thank you.